Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the uptrend continues, and this is one of these days where you can tell who has no idea what they're doing, who's not using a chart, who has no strategy, because you look through social media and message boards, you just take a quick glance and you can see people freaking out. You can tell exactly who the people are that bought right up around that area because they are in full freak out mode right now. And then you can also tell the people that have a plan, that understand charts. What do I mean by understand charts? I get it. From where it was at the highs, yeah, it did pull back today. So I can see that, but that's just one day. When you take a step back and look at multiple days, you can see very clearly, you have this green line here that I talked about. Price did a good job of holding above it. And then you have that set of lows, and then you have that set of lows, and then you have this set of lows. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, from the big picture, what do you still have? Well, very clearly, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what an uptrend's all about. So yeah, I get it. If you're some sort of, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well, yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. But from the big picture, assuming you care about the general, quote unquote story of the chart, the story is still very clearly in an overall uptrend. So from that point of view, yeah, the price did pull back, but that's just one day. And looking at multiple days, you can see plenty of, the bases are still very clearly going in the upwards direction. Although we have now, gotten established, the sellers have revealed themselves in terms of where the selling and the selling pressure is. And that's right up there at 0.075. And there's nothing fancy behind that rationale at all. That's just simply literally where the price stopped going up on several times today. So the price tried to get up above 0.075, can never quite do it and sustain itself. So that'll be the roadblock number one going into Friday. But all in all, the overall trend is still perfectly fine. And as long as the price continues to build those higher lows, that's what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.